Hello traders out there in Traderland. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Tuesday, March 12th, 2013. And the indices in the day mix. We have the S&P down 0.24%, the Dow up a fraction, but the Nasdaq down 0.3%, and the Russell's down, small caps down 0.25%. Banks off by 0.37%. VIX up 6%. Now up over 12, 12.27. Gold up big, 0.78%. Silver up 0.64%. Crude oil up 0.67%. US dollar down a fraction. And here, taking a look at the Nasdaq, you'll see that we have a lower high and a lower low closing back below this major trend line that I said that we broke above just yesterday. Of course, this could be a false breakout. We started breaking out and then boom, coming right back down. Not good. The S&P, same thing. This little trend line coming up, although a minor one, we closed above it, and today we come right back down. We have a tweezer top reversal pattern. That's no good. As far as the Dow's concerned, this beautiful run with this picture perfect doji at the top. Gang, watch for a close below 14,400, and that could start our down leg. We're looking for a nice down leg before we start buying longs again. If you are short this market, get your stop losses put in place. Nasdaq, again, we are lower high, lower low. It's already starting a down leg. So we have a pivot candle taking place on the small caps here. We're building a high base and we're staying above this support line. So we do have some hope with this high base breakout potential taking place here. And then gold, big rally in gold. Pop, we hung up at the falling 20-day moving average with the doji. And silver here, same thing. We pop up and we hang up here at the falling 20-day moving average. Let's take a look at Google while we're here. Google's slightly pulling back, but we have a buying opportunity, it looks like, on Google. Be watching this. And Apple is very interesting to me here. We started popping out yesterday. I almost entered this yesterday, but I drew another parallel line coming up to this high, coming down, which says, oh, we're right at this area. I wanted to see some continuation past the 440 mark before I entered, and today we pulled back, so I may find a better opportunity on an entry on Apple, but I'm certainly eyeing that. And Facebook here, building a high base above the 20-day moving average. We could get a nice pop here if the markets decide to go bullish, but again, the markets are poised to pull back, so I'm looking for a 3 to 4 day pullback, and I think that that could certainly happen. That bull pullback we were looking at Q Corp had a nice rally, but it's starting to stall already, so we could get a head and shoulder reversal here, so be watching that. So that's that. Hey, share us with a friend, like us, leave a comment, do all that stuff. You guys are the best. You get the very best technical analysis right here at Grok Trade.
Hi, my name is Mike, and I wanted to take a quick moment to tell you about Grok Trade's 3-day mentorship program. The past few years have been really rough for us. I've lost a lot of money in the markets, didn't really know which ones would be a winning stock, and really I spent my head behind a computer a lot, buried in trying to figure out what the charts and the graphs really mean, and analysis was just not my thing. So finally there came a point where I've been watching the Grok Trades 3-day or the free market reports and videos that they do, and I've always wanted to take their 3-day mentoring program. However, I never found the time. But finally I said to myself, there's got to be a point where you stop losing money, and you got to learn to do this right if you're going to do it at all. And that's when I made the mental commitment to go ahead and take the Grok's training. The 3-day course, the 3-day mentorship program has been amazing. I now have the confidence that I need to be able to pick the right stocks, look at the data, throw out the fluff, and get right down to what I need to look at to make the decisions. And now I don't have the weakness in my trading strategies anymore. So I only wish I really found it sooner. I know this is going to be a great thing for you. Every trader needs to have a mentor of some kind. The Grok trade system is a logical choice, and it's been fantastic for us, and I know it'll do the same for you. Thanks.